Hello and welcome to Turnitin versus Assignment versus Quiz. These are three activities that are available in eClass, and we'll be going through the benefits and drawbacks of each and when to use them. We'll first look at how they compare against each other, their recommended uses, and additional resources. So the first thing is these are all available through eClass on our Moodle site. The Turnitin icon is a arrow pointing towards a page, the assignment is a paper on a hand, and the quiz activity is a checkmark on a page. So all three items allow for file uploads, so you can submit something to Turnitin an assignment. Quiz also allows uploads. That's generally in the essay written portion question. You can either upload an assignment or type it into the box. Likewise, all three items will allow text submissions. You can just write it right into the assignment. So multiple choice, true, false, and word matching and order selection, that is only available in the quiz activity. So accept the submission statement. When you are finished with your activity, there will be a prompt indicating that the completion of the activity has occurred. So let's have a look at Turnitin and see how that submission looks like. So the student would submit a paper here. And add submission. Then Turnitin will upload it and give you a digital receipt. And on the activity page, you'll be able to see the submission title, the paper ID, and when it was submitted. Now let's have a look at how the quiz submission looks like. When you're done your quiz, press Finish Attempt. It will show a summary of what you've done. You can return to the attempt, or you can submit all unfinished. Once you click on this, there is no going back. You will get a confirmation, submit all unfinished. Press that once more. And that is what the submission looks like for the quiz. And let's look at the submission for an assignment activity. Same idea as Turnitin. You would very likely upload a paper. And you get submitted for grading status. Depending on your settings, you can edit the submission or remove it. The student will receive this confirmation that it is uploaded. Similarity report is available through Turnitin only. This is used for assisting with determining plagiarism. Turnitin is a text matching software that displays where copied text originated from. It doesn't really tell you if someone's plagiarized, but it can point out similarities between works that it has in its database on the internet and what the student has submitted. The assignment and quiz do not have these functions. And group work is possible in the assignment. If you have a group of students and one of them submits an assignment, the grade and feedback will be given back to all the members of the group. And feedback comments are available on all three assignments. This can either be pre-generated or if the professor decides to generate one on the spot, it is supported by all three activities. And feedback files are available to the assignment activity. This is like comments, except that the professor can upload a file for the student or students to download. Turnitin will allow you to leave voice comments, and Turnitin and assignment will allow you to annotate PDFs using their own built-in grading application. Manual grading is going to be required for Turnitin and assignment. The professor will have to read the essay or the test and give it a grade. Whereas in the quiz, everything except for essay-type questions will automatically be graded. Quizzes and assignments allow for decimal places. Turnitin does not. You can do a grade override. However, doing so means that if it was graded already with an integer value, there will be differing grades when viewed from the student's grade report. Annual overrides for students' submission dates are possible with assignment and quiz only. The Turnitin assignment does not allow this. You will have to create a new Turnitin assignment for the student or students who require the accommodation and use access restrictions to filter out only the students that require it. Release comments and grades after a certain time. Turnitin and the quiz have that option. Notify students of grade entered. The assignment will give them a notification. So bulk download submissions are available through Turnitin and assignment. This will allow the professor to download all the assignments. The quiz activity does not allow this. You must use the integrated activity grader. And bulk upload feedback files is available through assignment only. So for feedback files, Turnitin and quiz do not have this ability. The professor can write the feedback offline, prepare it, and then upload them all into eClass. And in case you're wondering, what should I use when? We recommend using Turnitin for case study and essay type assignments or exams. If you want to have the similarity report, Turnitin is your best bet. For assignment, you can do, if you have group projects, teams that are working on assignments, that is the advantage of using the assignment. There is no similarity report with the assignment activity. And quizzes, this activity can be used for multiple choice, matching true-false questions. You can do exams with this. Don't be confused by the name of the activity being a quiz. A lot of professors use it for actual finals and midterms. But you can also use it for module recap and comprehension quizzes, like smaller 5-10 question answers just to test comprehension. But depending on how it's configured, can meet many needs. And I'll leave this list of resources up. Feel free to pause it and have a look. eServices website. On our eClass training site, you'll find a list of available sessions and what they will cover, and also a schedule of when they'll be run. And below that, you'll find pre-recorded videos that we made to help you. You can either search by keyword or search by category. To access our eClass FAQ site, please go to ithelp.yorku.ca/Moodle. This will take you to our FAQ. Everything in here is organized by topics, or if you know what you're looking for, you can simply type it in here. For example, if you don't know why your students can't see their grades, you type that in here. And there's an article about it right here. Why can't my students see their grades? You can click on that, and an article will appear explaining how to solve this problem. At the bottom, you may find related questions that professors have asked in the past. The FAQ is also divided up into two sections, one for students, one for instructors. And you can always email us at esohelp@yorku.ca with any specific questions, and we'll be very happy to answer you. Thank you.